Hello, my name is Jessica Connel. I am a video and podcast producer. I spend a lot of time making content for YouTube and working on YouTube. And today I'm going to go over a quick case study of part of what I do whenever I do a YouTube channel optimization. Today we're looking at TheCookieRhino, aka Aileen Kinney. And she has given me permission to screen record what I'm doing here so I can show all of you today. So thank you very much, Aileen. Aileen is an illustrator, graphic designer, and comic book artist, and one of her goals for 2022 is to take her art full time. One of the ways she's working towards this is by hiring me to work with her on a strategy to boost her public profile through SEO and video marketing. Aileen is someone I know personally. She's designed several logos for me, so I know she's talented enough to earn a full-time living with her art and skill set. All she's really lacking is a community and following. Taking a glance at her YouTube channel as it is right now, I can see right away that it doesn't accurately reflect the image that she wants to put across. This channel looks very sparse, ignoring the latest two videos because those were uploaded after I started working with her. My first impressions looking at this page is that this channel is something very amateur. Like she is a high school student uploading some videos for fun, and that is not what gets you hired and what builds a community of fans. In addition, her last upload was 3 years ago, and she only has 4 videos in total, so it looks like she is not active. We are going to change that today. Let's go over to her YouTube studio and click on settings. Clicking on channel, I notice she doesn't have any channel keywords, which makes it harder for YouTube to know what your channel is about. Let's add those in. Notice that I'm adding in common misspellings of her name, Aileen Kinney, along with all the kind of art she does, and will be posting on her channel in the future. Hopping on over to advanced settings, we're going to click that she doesn't upload anything for kids. She's not a Ryan's World or someone who makes kids content ever, so she doesn't need to ever necessarily review that. She doesn't use cursing in her videos ever, so we don't want to accidentally get flagged for inappropriate content because YouTube's auto caption function accidentally mishears something. And she does have all of her features enabled, so we're good to go right here. Moving on to upload defaults, we're going to make her life easier when she uploads a new video. Her default title will have TheCookieRhino at the end to help all of her videos rank for that, and all she has to do is replace the title goes here section. Let's put all of her social and website links in the description so she doesn't have to copy and paste them each time and doesn't forget them ever. We're putting the default visibility to unlisted so YouTube can do its checks before publishing publicly. For tags, we're putting in default tags with the type of art she does, her name, and all the alternate spellings. And there we go. We've saved a lot of work for her on each video she uploads. Moving on to advanced settings, in the screen record here, I put film and animation for the default category, but actually it should have been entertainment. That's since been corrected. The languages for everything is English, and her content has never aired in the US. Next, we're going to make some playlists for her and organize her videos into categories. These playlists show up in YouTube search and help organize things on her channel's homepage so her audience can more easily find the exact content they're there to watch, whether it's about commissioning art from her, seeing the art challenges she does, her comic book content, or anything else she might eventually post about. Now let's head over to customization. We are dedicating a video as a channel trailer. We're going to use the Meet Aileen Kinney video because if you aren't subscribed, you probably aren't too familiar with Aileen. For the returning subscriber featured video, we're assigning her open commission video because you don't need an introduction to Aileen anymore, but you should be introduced to her latest offerings. Under featured sections, we're keeping these 2 sections as is, but we need to add more. Let's put down the popular uploads playlist, then commissions, then the others, and lastly, the off-topic and gameplay videos at the very bottom. Now onto branding. We want the channel's branding to be cohesive across all channels and platforms. Currently, her website and those 2 latest thumbnails have this mint green, but the background of her profile picture and cover photo are a completely different bluish-greenish color, so I asked her to make those again and match the background color. Her older videos don't follow this, but I'm not asking her to go back and change those thumbnails because her efforts would be better suited towards making new content that does follow her branding scheme. She's already given me the new branding content, so let's upload it. Now we head over to basic info and we see that there is nothing. Even if someone did stumble across her channel and wanted to reach out, too bad. Well, let's fix that and let's add all that in now. And this is what the channel looks like now. It looks more filled out, the color scheme is consistent, and it will get more consistent looking as she uploads more videos. No longer is her channel sparse and amateur looking. Now we have a professional artist who is attracting a fan base to her. So thank you so much for watching. If this is something that you are wanting to do for yourself, click on my website in the description below. I have both free and paid resources available depending on the level of customization you're looking for. Also, I will be uploading more videos like this, not only for YouTube, but for other platforms as well. So please go ahead and give me a subscribe. And I hope you have a very nice day.